Hello, we're going to make our parrot today. This has been done probably 100,000 times, but we're just going to show you how we make ours. Starting with 3 260s. This is going to be the color of the, let's put this one away. The parrot, I'm doing a blue and a green or a teal. They're usually about the same. This one's filled a little bit more versus this one. It's okay, you can make, this is just extra, it's just going to be for the tail, so it doesn't matter how much extra you have on here. It'll just change how long your tail is on your bird. So we'll start with, I'll start with the lighter colors. We'll start with the green. Do a 2 to 3 finger bubble. Fold it over. Pull it down, so you're making the beak of the bird. And you're going to pinch and twist it here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to pull it through the center here so that it locks it. Now it's not going to come undone. Take your teal balloon. We're going to wrap it right around there. Maybe wrap it around a couple times. Take it, tuck it through. And here we go. Yes, it's lean to the side, doesn't matter. Now you're going to make a bubble the length of however long you want the body to be. I usually go, what is that, about 5 or 6 inches? We're going to pinch it and twist. And then I take the color of the balloon that I did not use up here, pull it up. We're going to twist it into the neck, pinch all the air out, and twist. And then we're going to bring it back down, right down to the center, right down to where this joint is. Make sure all your bubbles are about the same. So you're going to pinch and twist it all together. Okay, so 3 on the back, 1 on the front. And apparently you got to twist it more than once. So what I do here is, depending on how much balloon I have left, I still have a lot of balloon left. I'm going to make 2 bubbles in here. I'm going to make them both at the same time, and I'm going to pinch twist them together. So I'm going to go down about 2 finger bubble, pinch, and twist. So it's like this. I'm going to grab these 2 balloons. You're going to lift and twist. So it's called either a pinch twist or an ear twist, depending on where you learn. Lift them up and twist. Okay, I know it's a little hard to see, but you're lifting up the 2 bubbles away from the joint and then twisting. And this will hold this in place. Okay, what you have left here is the tail. Just squeeze out the air. Squeeze out the air. And then just spiral them. Sometimes you'll have one that's longer than the other. It's okay. Twist off a bubble. Pinch, twist it. So now they're the same. And then just get rid of that. Don't throw it on the ground if you're at someone's party, someone's house. I'm at my house, so I can do that. So we've got his tail. Basic 2 balloon bird. Now I'm going to add a parrot swing. So I'll go back and we'll grab our other balloon. I do inflate it almost all the way. Bump it a little bit. Leave maybe an inch at the end. Start with the nozzle end. Tie it right into the 2 pinch twist I made here. Just slide it through. And then here, sometimes it's more of a guessing game, depending on how long I made the balloon. So I go about, let's see, 1 hand, 2, I probably do 1.5 hands. So this is about 5 or so inches. I'm going to pinch it, pinch and twist. Then we're going to make a pinch twist or an ear twist. So you make that other bubble, fold it over, lift, and twist. So this is where we're at. Squeeze the balloon soft, pull it over, and then you have to eyeball on the other side about where that one's going to go. So it's about the same size. Okay, here I pinch it, make our other bubble, make our ear twist. So this is where we're at. Then all you do is tie that in. If you didn't leave that extra, you'll end up with a bubble that you end up twisting into here. Sometimes it just makes it lopsided, sometimes it doesn't. Either way is fine. I just rather not have the extra bubble because sometimes it's just too much. I'm just tying this in here. If it's leaning the wrong direction, you can take one of these bubbles and move it to the back. And then just straighten it out. Add simple artwork. I'm usually doing these when I have 100 people online, so I just do really simple artwork. I just do a little dot for his nose, a little swirl up for his eye, and his little looking down face. Nothing super crazy. If you want to add any squiggles for his feathers, easy peasy. All right, hopefully that helps you.